Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to another video, and this is going to be maybe the best one yet because I had my largest green day this week. I actually went on to make $509.25 in 18 trades, and of those 18 trades, I won 16 of them and lost 2. Both of the losers were relatively small, so overall it was just a near perfect trading day, which I guess it makes sense. That's why it's my personal best. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you every single trade I took, all 18 of them, both the 2 I lost and the 16 I won. And I was actually doing a live stream with John from Beginner Trading, so I'm just going to use the audio for that because this video would be too long if I were to commentate over each of them individually. So we're going to be hopping into that in just a moment, but before we do that, please scroll down and click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out my channel and it will boost it for the YouTube algorithm. And then one last thing before we proceed is don't forget to check out the Discord link in the description. It's not owned by me. It's owned by a guy called our named Trader Mike, and he's actually a very, very good trader. He regularly does a couple $1,000s profit, so it's just a really cool Discord, and there's lots of other amazing people there. Oh man, I just pulled up GTEC.
You're in?
No, I just pulled it up though. I didn't realize this was going on.
See, I was waiting for a little pullback to 4. We never got it. Still looking at like VXRT maybe, or no, not VXRT. I got out of there at the right time. I'm down like $7 in that one.
All right, I just made a $40 scalp on that pullback on GTEC.
See, I kind of want it.
In at 5, out at 9. If I held though, goddamn, that could have been a $100 scalp.
I might be chasing this a little bit. I'm in with 100 shares.
For the next candle, I'm expecting a slight micro pullback, not a bungee, but like a micro pullback into a push over hive day. Into a push over hive day.
Yeah, I'm thinking about a pullback to 480 and then a push back up. Yep. 475, close enough. I hope you guys can see how we can kind of predict these things and how we can kind of just watch the stock's movement. Like I always talk about, there's a flow state.
There it goes above. Oh, it didn't break. I thought it was. It looked like it wanted to break high day right there. 513.
Now let's see 5, like $5, whole dollar. See if it holds 5 and continues. I could see that it's like the wick high right there.
This should break hive day though. I'm feeling like it will definitely break 513. Feels very likely.
Now it is.
Yep.
Yep. There it goes.
All right, quick $30 scalp.
Nice.
I feel like Ross probably sold out here. I don't think he's waiting until 6, which worries me because YouTube has like the delay on his stream, which means that his people will be hearing that he sold in maybe like 10-20 seconds. So I'm expecting there to be a flush purely based off of that in a moment.
Yeah. I think we'll flush down to, you know.
We have 3 seconds on the candle. 3 seconds on the candle. This will be red.
Yeah, there's
Bid size. Flush. All right, that's actually really good that it held up like that as far as breaking. Yeah. That held up really well. Very tight.
Yeah, keeping a small candle, you know. Let's see. I'd watch 575 underneath it too if it can't hold.
Someone said he's adding instead of selling. So, but sometimes Ross will add and then he'll lose, and this is one of those instances.
Yeah.
All right, I just made that 550 level. $40 scalp.
Oof. Yeah, see, this is the tank we talk. Hey, I was, you know, I mean, really, we were both kind of spot on. Look at that $6 level. You got into a bungee pullback on that drop?
Yeah, well, no. I had execution error.
Oh.
I actually lost money there. So what happened is I bought, and then I don't know what I clicked, and an error message popped up, so I couldn't sell whenever I was up. Like, because I was up, right? And I needed to sell, but I couldn't sell because I had some dialogue box pop up that I had to click off of. So, I mean, I'm still up $93.54 on the day, but I was up right there. I was up like 130, so I think I lost like $40, but it is what it is.
Yeah. And this is why.
Okay, there we go.
This
I
is,
just made a $50 scalp there. So now I'm up to 143.54. We just hit 30 minutes of trading. I said I was going to walk out after 30 minutes, but I'm going to stay a little bit longer. Strictly because I'm $60 off of 200, and 200 is the like goal for this month, 200 a day. So
right.
all right,
Yeah, that's pretty solid.
$60 scalp, $60 scalp on Weeza. We are up $203 for the day. So at this point, we hit $200 for the day, and since $200 is my daily goal, I actually scaled down back to the size that I was trading back in October. I actually do like GTech a little bit right now. I'm not sure. I don't have a trade plan yet, but I'm gonna watch and see if I can form. All right, I'm
Yeah,
in.
I'm
Okay,
watching
I
it.
just made a what's 6 times 5? $30 scalp. Yeah, $30 scalp.
Bad. So you break 100 or 200 yet?
Oh yeah, I broke 200 before. I'm
Oh,
at
nice.
$233.64. I don't watch them to like try to mimic their strategy or style, but I always like to watch what other people are doing so I can
Right.
understand different perspectives because sometimes it's useful to know what other style of traders are looking at on the same stock. Because
Right.
sometimes I can be so narrow-minded in like looking at my strategy that I might miss what someone else is doing. And if you know what all the other people are doing, then it's you're in control. And of course, you'll never know like what everybody's doing. But if you have a pretty wide like range, you'll be. Oh, one sec, I'm gonna trade. Okay. We bought at 94, then we sold at 96. Okay, cool. So that's a $20 profit.
Yeah, somebody else was asking about it. I think, like I said, I'm a range trader. I think it was Amir that asked about it. Uh, but like, so like, I'm looking at this range really. Like, this is really the range I'm watching. It's holding $5, so like I'm watching in between like $5 and 5.50. And so every time it pulls back to five, it's bouncing at five, so it's holding that. Um, and then like over 550, if it starts to break that, maybe like a little range trade up to 580 is what I would consider, at least me. But everybody's a little bit different, and I kind of agree with like looking at other traders to see what they're doing because like I think everybody's a little bit different, and like even I know some people trade the VWAP fade, and like it's a strategy that I've been talking about. Like I know Trade Archer posted a video to
Dude,
our
look at this
Discord.
candle.
Yeah, I'm
Wow,
looking at it.
dude.
Let's see if it rejects at 550 again though. We gotta get halted here. Nope. All right, so yeah, 560. There it goes.
We bought at 36. Oh, wow. I did a market sell there because I got a partial fill, right? And when you get a partial fill, you pretty much have to click flatten on Thinkorswim because I don't have time to adjust my quantity to my shares. So I ordered for 500 and I got filled 400, right? And
Yeah.
I wanted to sell, but I can't go move my quantity from 500 to 400 and sell in time. So I just had to use flatten, which is a market sell. So I got filled at 1 cent above my entry, so I only made $4 there. But that should have been a larger trade for sure. I'm super
Right.
happy that today actually had like some like really amazing opportunities.
Right.
It's refreshing.
And honestly, yeah, it's been a tough few weeks, and you know, I've been like the last few weeks have been tough for me, man. I've been green, like I was green almost all of like last week, but it's just been so dull and slow that it's been hard to really, get excited about the market in any way.
Oh my god! Woo! Holy! Can I send you a screenshot and then you show it on stream?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's go, John! Let's go! Let's show that on stream, baby. Let's
What happened?
go.
You sent it on Discord?
I DM'd you on Discord, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, John.
Woo! $400 today. Wow, yeah, here, let me show you guys.
Hell yeah.
Hey, keep it. Keep killing it, man.
Oh
See?
my God, let's go, John. Let's go, dude. Sorry,
Hey.
I'm about to like blow people's ears, dude. Let's go.
Get pumped up, bro. Do it. You know.
Let's
Got
go.
this.
Oh my God.
But no, I'll say this about the 1 minute pullback, guys. Like, there's a lot of different variations of it, and so it's like, if you just blindly trade a 1 minute pullback without context that you need, it's not going to be a winning play. Like, I've traded the 1 minute pullback, and really, like, I've made content on that strategy for like 3 or 4 years now. Really, I learned it, to be honest. I learned it from Warrior Trading because it is one of his strategies that he's been teaching. But you got to trade it the right way. There's a lot of different ways to trade it. There's 2, in my opinion. And I know you were talking to Eric, but I'll just go ahead and explain my logic on it too. So there's a few different ways you can trade it, right? One of them is, this is really my favorite way to trade it, right? Where you get, first of all, it needs to be either right above or right below a big confirmed level. And so if we're looking at GTEC here, just to give you an example, like I can look at
Can I interrupt real quickly?
Right, yeah, sure, go ahead.
I did take another trade and I made another $30.
Hey, what are you up now?
$438.07.
Man, Eric, you're making me look bad, bro.
And that was a micro pullback. That was a micro pullback, not a bunch.
Nice.
Hey, John.
What's up?
$5, baby.
Huh?
$5. I just made $5.
Oh,
it was like super.
Killing it. Balling.
I was gonna try to like pump up $5, and I was like, nah, that's too much effort. Like that's another like over $1 per, like in a 1 candle move.
Right.
It's just like crazy. There's like so much money here.
Well, I think I'm gonna lead this into this comment by Kyle in Trader Mike's. He said GTEC has a self-registration or a shelf registration. I'm sorry. Max price is 11.
Oh my God.
Anytime. And so be careful for afternoon trading. It could happen sometime. Play it like hot potatoes.
I just made another $50.
I agree with Kyle. Hey, nice, man. You're going to hit a
baby.
$500 day, bro. Once they fund you $30K, how much is it per month? I think there's just market data, and it's not even from Top Step. In futures, you're going to have to pay it anyway because of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
Another
So I think
$9
there's some
scalp.
fees there.
Sorry. We're up $502.25 on the day. From this point, we actually ended the stream, so I don't have any more commentary, but I'm going to leave on some music because I take 4 more trades. So there's going to just be a quick like 1 minute segment where I'll show all 4 clips with some music. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe if you want to see more content. I'll see you all in the next video.